Hello everyone and welcome back for today's lessons. In these lessons we will gonna talk about pronouns. Salom o'quvchilar, bugungi darsimizda olmoshlar to'g'risida gaplashamiz. Keling avval olmoshlar o'zi nima ekanligiga ta'rif berib olaylik. Olmoshlar almas so'zi bilan sinonim hisoblanadi va ular otlar yoki ismlar bilan almashinilib qo'llaniladi. Misol uchun, Malika darsga keldi. U darsga keldi. Ya'ni Malika ismi u kishilik olmoshi bilan almashinilib qo'llanildi. You bu siz, sizlar, he erkak yoki o'g'il bola uchun u, she qiz bola yoki ayollar uchun u, they ular, we biz. Where are you from? Siz qayerdansiz? Bu savolda you kishilik olmoshi hisoblanadi. He o'g'il bolalar uchun ishlatilgan shakli. What is his name? Uning ismi nima? His name is Humoyun. Uning ismi Humoyun. Where is he from? U qayerdan? He is from Andijan. U andijonlik. What is her name? Uning ismi nima? Her name is Maftuna. Uning ismi Maftuna. Where is she from? U qayerdan? She is from Fergana. U Farg'onalik. Birinchi shaklida his, ya'ni o'g'il bolalar uchun, ikkinchi shaklida her, she, ya'ni qizlar uchun ishlatilgan shakli. Where are they from? Ular qayerdan? Ya'ni they kishilik olmoshi bir yoki undan ortiq kishilarga aytiladi, ya'ni ko'plikda. Where from qayerdan? Are they ular. They ya'ni ular kishilik olmoshi. Where are they from? Ular qayerdan? They are from Brazil. Ular braziliyalik. Now pause the video and practice with your partner. Videoni to'xtating va o'rtog'ingiz bilan mashq qiling. Where are you from? Siz qayerdansiz? Where from? Qayerdan ma'nosida kelyapti. Are you? Sizlar. Where are you from? We are from China. Biz Xitoylikmiz deyilyapti. Bunda kishilik olmoshi we, ya'ni biz. Now pause the video, fill the blanks with the correct form of to be. Am is are. Videoni to'xtating va berilgan gaplarni to be ning birinchi shakli am is are bilan to'ldiring. Now let's check your answers together. First, I am from Uzbekistan. Men O'zbekistonlikman. 2. They are from Brazil. Ular braziliyalik. Third, she is American. U amerikalik. 4. We are students. Biz o'quvchilarmiz. Now pause the video and practice the speaking with your partner. Videoni to'xtating va do'stingiz bilan gapirishni mashq qiling. Now let's learn some numbers together. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. Now draw a line to match the number and the word. Quyida berilgan raqamlarni ularning mos yozma shakli bilan birlashtiring. And this is all for today. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.